The Mysterious Duckling. On a quiet farm by a shimmering lake, a mother duck sat patiently on her nest. One by one, her eggs hatched, revealing fluffy yellow ducklings. But the last egg was different, bigger and oddly shaped. When it finally cracked, out came a duckling unlike any other. He was gray, awkward, and much larger than his siblings. The other ducklings whispered,
"He doesn't look like us. He's so ugly."
The farm animals laughed at him, and even the pond frogs teased him. Feeling heartbroken, the little duckling decided to run away in search of a place where he belonged. As he wandered through dark forests and wide rivers, he faced danger and mystery. A hungry fox tried to snatch him, but he quickly hid under a pile of leaves, and he shivered alone under a tree. But even in the toughest moments, something inside him told him to keep going. Seasons changed, and the little duckling grew stronger. One day, he saw a group of majestic white birds gliding across a crystal clear lake. They had long necks, glowing feathers, and the most graceful movements. He admired them from afar, wishing he could be as beautiful as they were. When he bent down to drink from the lake, he gasped. His reflection showed not an ugly duckling, but a magnificent swan. The strange, awkward chick had grown into the most beautiful creature of all. The swans welcomed him with open wings. "You were never ugly," they said. "You were just different, and different is special." Now, with a heart full of joy and confidence, he spread his wings and soared into the sky, proud of who he had become. Moral of the story: never judge yourself by how others see you. You are growing into something beautiful, just give it time.